Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share my experience about MindSpark, that how it has helped me as a parent and my child also to learn mathematics in a better way. Earlier my son Anuj was facing challenge in maths in this pandemic, and he was not able to do proper practice, and he was having the fear of doing maths also. I used to force him to do maths question, to do more practice, and even I was not getting that which topic I need to focus him more and which I need to focus less. Few months ago, I came across for MindSpark Math. I registered for it, and then Anu started MindSpark Math. See how it has helped me to understand where I can see my child report. So this is my son. He is in seventh grade. These are Sparky means like when he's doing correct questions, so he's getting certain Sparky, and then he has his leaderboard also based on this Sparky. So these things keep him motivating to do more. These are his topics, and let me show you how I guide him. So I guide him to do the topic, and then I see the progress of the topic. Like if I want to see the profit and loss, he has already done, so he can do it second attempt also. And view details, he is having 55% accuracy. Okay, now let me go back. Sorry, I need to log in again. Sorry. So let's see another topic. So he was weak in fraction where his score was only 20%. Then I asked him to do more and more practice, and you can see he attempted 13 times fraction. I asked him to do this because he was very weak in fraction, and the reason was that he was weak in division. So MindSpark identified this, and he solved his problem. Then later on, after doing various attempts, he got 54% accuracy on combination of operation and 38 in complex computation. Now if I want to see how he did, so you can see he has done 1971 questions of of operations, 1000 wrong, 951. But nowhere else he can do this kind of practice without any fear. He did these questions wrong, but he has done right also. From 20% accuracy in first attempt, then averaging out on 13 attempts, it's a good progress by him, and the MindSpark has helped him a lot. I can see topic by topic sub concepts also where he is lacking on. Let me show you another big concepts where you can see this similarity. So here he has done 77. So I don't need to focus here. So that's how I identify which topic he need to focus upon. You can see how many wrong questions he has done, what kind of wrong questions he has done. Then we have games here, which motivates him to clear a concept. Basis on that, the game get unlocked and he plays that game also and he enjoy. So that is the journey of my son, which is going good through MindSpark Math. I am sure it will help your child also. Thank you so much.